Facilities. Read and enjoy. Ma. My tab is out of order, complained a 10-year-old boy. He continued, how can I finish my homework? I'll go to bed. No. No, poor mother guiltily said, wait for a while. Dad will come and look into it. In another house raged some argument and it caught the attention of the passers-by. How can I take a bath? A girl of 12 thundered the roof, the shower is not working. The girl does not know English but the shower, if not working, should be kicked off. On telling the above-cited happenings, Mirza Sohrab, the grandfather of Vinay Sohrab, an 8-year-old boy, said, my boy, why have I told you the two incidents? Vinay said, Grandpa, to make me understand that we can't work if our devices don't work. Mirza Sohrab smiled and negatively nodded his head. He started saying, Vijay, are you free now? Yes, Grandpa. Listen to me patiently. I have told you the two incidents not to make you as you have said but to open your mind towards reality. My boy, we should not neglect reality. In the two happenings, you have to notice reality, that is doing homework in the first incident and taking a bath in the second one. In these two activities, doing homework and taking a bath can be finished without a tab, without a shower. This is reality. Have you understood it? Mirza Sohrab softly uttered. Yes, Grandpa. Responded Vinay. So we have to understand that the tab is helpful to the boy in finishing his homework, that's all. The tab itself can't finish his homework. He should finish it, even if the tab is out of order, by taking up another way. Similarly, the girl can take a bath by using a mug when the shower is under repair. Not the tab or the shower only but every instrument or machine is with us to lessen our burden in working, it means to give us some facility while we are working. In the past there were no such facilities but we were happy and we are now just shocked at some incidents, said Mirza Sohrab. Grandpa, your generation was like that, but our generation is in this way, Vinay said smoothly. My boy, what I am saying is that you should not depend on such facilities. You should mold yourself to work, even though you have got no facility, just in a serious tone suggested Mirza. Yes, Grandpa. I'll do as you have mentioned, agreed Vinay. This is a matter of some valuable discussion. Necessities, facilities and luxuries are the three main categories of things. We can't draw a dividing line between any two of them. It is because a car is a necessity for a rich industrialist but it is a luxury for a commoner. A computer is a thing of facility for a clerk but it is a white elephant for a laborer. So man's status and need decide the category of things. There is another side for the matter. A thing of luxury at one time may become a thing of necessity with the passage of time. Suppose take the radio. It was a thing of luxury long ago. Later it became a thing of necessity. But it is today a thing of no significance. All things and devices get changed and changed with the flow of time. But we should not confine ourselves to things. We must get accustomed to working even under odd conditions. The lives of great persons such as C.V. Raman, Srinivasa Ramanujan and Iswara Chandra Vidyasagar teach us this doctrine.